Hello friends, welcome to the toothscorner.com videos. Is almond milk good for you? Today let us see its nutrient value, its benefits with a healthy smoothie recipe. Let us begin. Almond milk is trendy just like dairy milk with numerous health benefits. It is tasty, low in calories and rich in nutrients like calcium, riboflavin and vitamin D and E. It is made by grinding almonds in water. After undergoing the process of filtration, the remaining product is similar to milk but has a nutty flavor. You may use the milk in the same way as you use dairy milk and is excellent for those who are lactose intolerant. Now let us look at the benefits of drinking almond milk. It is low in calories than the cow's milk as 1 cup or 240 ml of unsweetened milk contains 30 to 50 calories, whereas the same amount of cow's milk contains 146 calories. You may use it as a replacement for cow's milk and is useful for weight loss too. It is very low in sugar as 1 cup or 240 ml contains 1 to 2 grams of carbs only, which is mostly fiber in compared to the dairy milk that contains 13 grams of carbs, but it is sugar. It is thus advisable for people with diabetes to restrict the amount of sugar in your diet. It is rich in vitamin E as 1 cup provides 20 to 50% of your daily vitamin E that works as an antioxidant to reduce inflammation, stress and risk of any disease. It has high amounts of calcium as 1 cup contains 28% of the daily calcium intake, which is vital for the development of bones and reduces the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. It is rich in fortified vitamin D to get 25% of the daily intake from a cup. Thus, it protects your heart and bone health and boosts the immune system. Moreover, almond milk is lactose-free, dairy-free and vegan, that is low in phosphorus with little potassium and is very easy to include in your regular diet. You may also use this milk in smoothies, cereals, coffee, soups, ice cream and sauces, thus avoiding dairy in many ways. Now let us prepare almond milk smoothie for your breakfast. Please note down the ingredients. You need unsweetened almond milk 1 cup, banana 1 sliced, rolled oats 2 tablespoons, natural peanut butter 1 tablespoon, chia seeds 1 tablespoon and honey 1 tablespoon, that is optional. Note down the method. Firstly, add all the ingredients into a blender. Then blend until smooth. Pour it into a glass and serve. I hope you agree with me and include almond milk in your everyday diet, which comes with numerous advantages that keeps you healthy and free from diseases. Thank you.